Steve Ballmer. Steve Ballmer is a well-known business magnate and philanthropist. Here's a detailed profile based on available information. Personal details. Full name, Stephen Anthony Ballmer. Net worth, estimated at $145 billion of January 2025. Age, 68 years old. Date of birth, March 24, 1956. Place of birth, Detroit, Michigan, USA. Nationality, American. Marital status, married to Connie Snyder. Cultural and personal background. Ethnicity, Ashkenazi Jewish, paternal side, Swiss American, maternal side. Languages spoken, English. Height and weight, approximately 6 feet 5 in 196 centimeters and 220 pounds, 100 kilograms. Eye color, blue hair color, ball dress. Style, business casual and sporty, often seen in simple shirts and slacks. Health and lifestyle fitness level, moderate, energetic personality despite no public focus on fitness routines. General health, good health, with occasional emphasis on maintaining energy levels. Eating habits, likely balanced, with no known dietary restrictions. Tattoos or piercings, none known. Introvert or extrovert. Extrovert, known for his high energy and exuberant public presence. Personality traits, main qualities, passionate, hardworking, determined, loyal, generous. Possible defects, can be intense and overly enthusiastic, sometimes criticized for his aggressive management style. Ambitions and aspirations, to continue advancing his philanthropic efforts, particularly in education and community building. To see the Los Angeles Clippers, NBA team he owns, succeed at the highest levels. Creativity and emotional traits. Humor, known for his quirky sense of humor and dynamic speeches. Creativity, exhibited in his approach to business and team management. Self-confidence, extremely high, driving his success in corporate leadership. Emotional management, passionate and occasionally intense, with a deep focus on his goals. Professional background, current occupation, owner of the Los Angeles Clippers basketball team. Academic training, bachelor's degree in applied mathematics and economics from Harvard University. Attended but did not complete MBA at Stanford University. Technical and non-technical skills, strong business acumen, exceptional leadership and management skills. Professional experience, former CEO of Microsoft 2014. Key player in expanding Microsoft's dominance in the software industry. Work ethic and future plans. Level of involvement, fully committed to his projects, especially the Clippers. Career aspirations, to enhance his legacy as a businessman and philanthropist. Family and social life. Family relationships, married with 3 children. Close family ties, circle of friends, includes prominent figures in business, sports, and philanthropy. Community involvement, active philanthropist focusing on education and poverty reduction. Hobbies and interests, sports played, basketball enthusiast. Favorite hobbies, watching sports, reading about technology and business. Favorite movies, series, or books? Unknown, though likely enjoys business and sports-related content. Specific passion, sports team management, particularly the Clippers. Daily habits and lifestyle type of accommodation. Luxurious homes, including a notable property in Hunts Point, Washington. Means of transport, private jets, luxury cars. Personal finance management, astute with significant investments in sports and philanthropy. Values and beliefs, priorities in life. Family, philanthropy, and professional excellence. Vision of life, focused on contributing to society while achieving personal and professional growth. Fundamental values, generosity, integrity, hard work. Skills and strengths, problem solving, excellent strategic thinker. Communication, charismatic speaker, known for inspiring his teams. Adaptability and stress management, highly adaptable, thriving in high-pressure environments. Key experiences, significant successes. Oversaw Microsoft's growth to a global tech powerhouse. Acquired the Los Angeles Clippers, building a vibrant sports brand. Lessons learned. The value of persistence and calculated risks in business. Goals and vision for the future. Short-term objectives. Elevate the Clippers to championship status. Long-term objectives. Expand his philanthropic reach globally. Summary. Steve Ballmer's life is a testament to energy, innovation, and determination. From leading Microsoft to owning an NBA team, he shaped his journey with passion and ambition, leaving a legacy that blends corporate success with community impact.